making a video to replace old style Polo Victoria flush of Roca. I've removed everything, but I can show you. So the way to remove it is when this system is in your Roca flush system. So that's how it locks the water. So here it just goes down and locks the water, but the washer is gone, and this is actually you can't get this model anymore. You can actually from Amazon or somewhere, but it's very expensive. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to replace this model, which is a single flush, with a slightly better one. Actually, this one, which is a dual flush. So you get the dual flush with the system here. So what you do, you unscrew the push button, which was in your cover. So you unscrew that. So what you do, you flush it and then hold the push button and try to unscrew it anti-clockwise, and then you can remove that at the top and then remove the cover. And what you see, this is all fitted into the system. So the first thing, try to get your hand, wiggle it somehow and try to remove it gently, and wiggle it and try to remove this and this. And then there might be some clips, because this is all mine is broken, because I tried to unclip it, because there are 3 clips which sits into this groove. So 1, 2 and 3 clips, and it was like all fitted. When I tried to remove the clip, this plastic was quite brittle and it's all broken, you see. So it's like really old. So now it's going apart, says falling apart. So that's how you remove this. And this system will, the lower body will be in your system. What you do, you just hold it tight and try to unscrew it from the flush body. So you unscrew it from the flush body. A hole there with a screwing clip. And you might also see this, which is your valve. So this goes in that little hole there. So what I did, I just unscrewed it from the bottom. So don't forget to shut down your water supply and then unscrew it, remove it, because you actually want to remove the whole tank. What I'm guessing, to remove it, you need to unscrew this, you need to unscrew that, and then you can actually remove this one. Well, I have to unscrew these 2 as well, and then I'll be able to remove that, and then we'll fit. So yeah, I'm trying to unscrew these, and what I found out is that there's actually a clip or a plastic unscrew underneath it. So it's very easy. You unscrew this first, and just maybe we have to. So yeah, please see which washer goes where first, because now I forgot. So the rubber one will go first, then the steel one. So rubber one will be against this, like that, and the steel one will be behind it, because you want to seal it. So this is all loose, and we don't have to remove it, because we're just gonna pull it up. So from the other side as well, let's unscrew this. So now I have removed it. It's down here. So that's the back part. That's one of the washer. You see the inside, and then if you see at the back, there is a washer here. Just be careful that this washer shouldn't be dirty or anything, because this is the one which will create the seal with your flush system. So now we'll start to install the other one, and we'll see how it goes. So again, following the instruction given with the new system, it says for system with an outlet hole approximately 50 mm in diameter, use ribbed rubber seal washer only. And the other one, it says for system with an outlet hole approximately 60, which is mine. They're talking about this hole. So if the diameter of this hole, distance from here to here, is the biggest one is 60 mm, or then you should do the second one. So mine will line in the one which is on the right. So for system with an outlet hole approximately 60 mm, remove the ribbed seal washer. So what they're saying that it comes with two washers. So one of them is already on the sister system threaded shank. The other one they give is actually very similar, but it got like a lip. This is like a lip. So I don't know, maybe that does something good for the system. So I have to remove that one, and I have to put then this one like this, I think. Let me check. So it says remove the ripped steel washer from the threaded shank and replace with the facing down. Position the valve. The cone centralizes for a perfect seal. Oh, they are talking about this cone then. Yeah. Locate threaded shank in the hole. Tighten it. Cool. So we'll do that, and we'll see you later. So I've changed the washer, is in place, and now we're gonna put this in. Just be careful when you are putting it inside that you leave enough space for the valve, which is quite big. Mine, which is the old one, has no problem in it, so I'm gonna use this one as well. So it is quite big, so it needs some space. So the previous system was Victoria Polo one was very small, and this takes a lot of space there. So make sure this pipe is on the other side, because your valve will come here. Your valve will come here, and the pipe is on the other side, so that you got enough space on this side. Okay, cool. All is in place. Got it there, fitted, and I'm just trying to now fix it properly and hope for the best. Now I got all fitted. This one is a bit tricky for me because there is not enough space down there, if you see. So if you got something similar, then don't tighten this nut first. What you do, you first try to get this into this ring and tighten this first, and then start tightening this one, because if you will screw it tight, this will push us down this pipe, and this nut will not go over it, or you will find problem. So do this one first, and then this one. Cool. So you see, the water is filling up in the tank, and in the meanwhile, what we'll do, we'll try to get this lovely little knob into this. So let's do that. We have to remove this one and then the top one to get this in, so I'll show you. So the white one is unscrewed from this one. Now the top is also unscrewed, so this goes down there. So we'll be left with this, and we can put that there. So you see, I got this here. What I'm trying to do is to get everything together. Sorry, I'm an amateur video maker, so I've not got tripod or nothing. So I think the white which came out, which was like that on this one, I think if I put it like this and screw it down, then it will hold this valve. Yeah, and I was right, and then we can do this as a double seal, and we don't need this, so we can